Hey, what's up guys, Himanshu here with another very cool and very fun tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create this one. Okay, so looking pretty cool, right? Today we are going to do some fracturing, and believe me guys, it's truly amazing. Okay, so let's get started. First we need to create a new composition, name it DCW. Okay, now we need to create a new solid, so Control Y and name it E3D. This is for our element 3D effect, and now type in element. Okay, so with that setup, we need to create some fractured text, and we can't do some fracturing in element 3D, so we have to do this in another 3D software. I'm using Cinema. You can choose your favorite 3D program. Okay, so head over to Cinema and do some fracturing. Okay, so here we are in Cinema 4D, and first we need to create the CW text. So I recreated the text in Adobe Illustrator, and Cinema can import the .ai files. So let's choose File and Merge Object. Select this file, and you can also download this file. I put the link in the description. Okay, so this is the text, and we need to extrude this text. So let's first, these are our paths, so let's choose these paths and combine these. So in order to do that, select these paths and choose right click and connect plus delete. Okay, so just drag it out. Now select the extrude object, let's name it CW, and okay, now grab the CW spline and make a child of the extrude object. Okay, so now it's extruded. You can make the adjustment here. You can increase the depth size, so let's make it 33. Okay, now do the same thing for this one. So choose extrude and select this one and make a child. Okay, so these edges is are looking very sharp, so let's select this one and level these. So turn on fill cap. Let's value these 0.8 or 6. Okay, looking for end to 0.6. Okay, so now it's looking nice. Same thing for this cap, and value this maybe something like 0.8. Oops, 0.8. Okay. Steps 2. Okay. For the end 1, 2, and 0.8. Okay, now it's time to apply some fracturing on the text, but before that we have to convert our text extruded object to polygon. So you can just hit the C to make editable, and now it's polygon and ready for element. But guys, here's the one thing that you have to avoid before the make your object editable, and it's the thing right here. Yeah, create single object. If I make my object editable without this, so this will separate the front and back caps, and this is not good at all. Let's make the okay, select this one and take this, and with the checkbox on, hit C, or you can click the switch little icon right here. Okay, so it's better and work well with fracturing as well, so keep that in mind. So do the same thing for this. Okay guys, so now let's make the text fractured with the Voronoi fracture. This is the new feature in Cinema 4D R18. So go to More Graph tab and choose fracture Voronoi, and now let's name it CW. Okay, so now grab the CW and make a child of Voronoi. So now go to source and select this one right here, and you can see some controls over here. So let's crank this up to maybe something like 800. It's looking good, but we need more chunks, so let's change this into normal and choose 1000. Okay. Okay, even guys, you can add matrix object or any other objects to the sources list to create something very cool patterns. Let me show you. Choose matrix, and now drop this into the sources. Let's shut off this and drop into the sources now, and watch this one guys. So it's really cool guys, so you can create some very cool patterns, and but it's cool, but what's cooler than this, and that is you can combine these point generator, distribution and matrix. Okay, so you can combine all these objects and make something very cool and interesting. And now let's delete this. Now do the same thing for the text, I mean. Okay, let's choose Voronoi child chunk, so making 500, maybe 800. Okay. And now in order to import this into the element 3D, we have to make the Voronoi editable. But before that, we have to separate the inside and outside faces in order for element to understand the separate faces. To do so, select the Voronoi. Let's shut off the colorized fragments. We don't need any other fracture visualization. Okay, so now go to selection tab and hit the checkbox on for both of these, and now you should see some different selections here. So delete all these others. So this is inside face selection and this is an outside face selection. Okay, now let's make the material and apply on the CW text. Okay, so get a material, make it black, create another material, red. Okay, and now grab our material and drop this onto the fracture Voronoi, because this is our outside face, so this is the outside face selection. So grab the outside face selection and drop this into the selection tab. These are inside selection, so grab our material and drag and drop. Now repeat the same thing for this one. Selection inside, outside, and drop. Outside, inside, to inside. Okay guys, so now make the editable. So hit C and hit C. Now save the file. Okay, so let's go back to After Effects and do the rest of the process. Hey guys, we are back in After Effects. So let's jump into the element scene setup and now choose import, and this is the Cinema 4D file. If you are using another application like Maya, Blender, so you have to export your 3D object in .obj and then import into the element 3D, because element accept only these three formats: .e cinema 4D, .e obj, and .e 3D file. Okay, so choose this one and open. Okay, so and you can see these materials that I just created in Cinema 4D. Alright guys, it's time to do some animation, something like this, and it's pretty easy actually, and you can see its whole animation is being animated by only these two keyframes. Okay, so go back to the comp and now let's create a camera. Now go back to the elementary scene setup and okay, so we are in 3D here, and in order to achieve that effect you have to duplicate this, drag that out, duplicate this and put this into the another group. Okay, hit the F, you can see the wireframe mode. Okay, hit OK. And now come over here and go to animation engine and enable it. Okay, so this is the thing right here. Now let's go back to group 2, and if I turn on multi-object for group 2 and for group 1. Okay, and if I do the adjustment in group 2, it will automatically update the whole animation. So that's displacement. So this is the animation that we have. Okay guys, so let's do some animation for our the CW text. Okay, so let's do that. Okay guys, so this is really amazing. As you can see, it's animation really fast and render really fast. So looking pretty cool, right? So anytime if I go back to our group 2 and do some changes like rotation, and the more displacement and a shadow, and to automatic update our whole animation, or you can also into the animation engine and choose another animation mode like radio. This one is looking pretty nice. Okay, now you go back to the group 2. So as you can see guys, it's a really powerful and really amazing. And also guys, you can set up some camera movement. So let's do some camera movement here. So looking very nice for me. You can also change the group and you'll get some really unpredictable results. So I highly encourage you to guys get in there and start experimenting with this amazing feature, animation engine. It's really fun. So let's add some more animation here. So to the word transform and choose our word rotation. Let's choose the ease. Okay guys, hopefully you learned a lot from this tutorial. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You can like me on Facebook also. Okay, so bye everybody, we will see you next time.